Oh my God, there's a bee! There's a bee! I've lost my freaking cheese!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Where'd the chi go?
I don't know!
I don't know!
I love Metro Station.
Me too.
Really?
Just as hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No! No!
You like that song?
It's Waymo. Oh my God, he wants to do her.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
It's Waymo.
Hey, Waymo doesn't have any hands, so we can't do the.
I know. Can't do
Get
that.
like stickers.
That won't be very nice though. He doesn't like sticks in his face.
That would be a bad thing.
Yes, it would. Yes, it would.
No pushing!
But we were gonna add this Vienna abuse.
Vienna abuse is a bad thing. I don't like it.
Oh.
It's a sad thing.
Well, how about Chelsea abuse?
Yeah!
Hi. Bye, people. That concludes our episode of